Manufacturing, a growing and changing industry. Let's explore just some of the different sectors operating here on the Gold Coast.
The Australian government's quite focused on what they call advanced manufacturing, and that's really manufacturing things that are quite technical, like rockets, but also drones and electric vehicles and things like that, which require a lot of really good design and engineering work, but also a lot of really skilled manufacturing and assembling. We're the biggest manufacturer of space in Australia, and we're here on the Gold Coast. We find great talent here. We're connected to great educational institutions, so it's a great place for us.
More sectors to explore.
So I started 6 years ago as a first-year apprentice. I was like 17 at the time, but I knew I wanted to do something with my hands. TAFE and Riviera helped me grow into being a qualified boat builder and to be able to do my job to a really high standard. From going to putting in one cabinet to building a whole room to being able to move from room to being able to build a whole boat, essentially.
Now we have looked at some of the sectors, it is important to find your passion.
Well, this started out really more as a passion than anything, a passion for helicopters. But as time went on, I think I found that I had more of a passion for design and manufacturing.
Some more manufacturing areas to consider.
I think it's important to understand that before something gets into industry, there is a whole R&D process beforehand. And that's because we have to develop new protocols, characterize conditions, explore variables, look at how to actually bring costs down before something goes into the pipeline.
And the fact that I'm coming in, always testing my knowledge, learning new things, it's just fascinating to me.
So we are alleviating problems, we are addressing issues, we are bringing costs down, we're making systems better and healthier, and we are improving people's lives.
Heaps of new job roles rolling out every day due to digital technology updates.
So to young kids starting out, just have the drive, have the enthusiasm and have the passion, and you can do it.
People come in here and we say, look, we're trying to do something different. We're trying to do something that's never been done before in Australia. We're trying to do something that a lot of people told us was impossible to do. And if you're someone that likes a challenge, this is a great place for you to work.
Want to know the best way to learn about job roles? Then participate in trade tasters, organise work experience, join site tours, complete STEM programs and activities, look out for micro-credentials and complete the Discover My Career profile.
You've got to give something a good go in life. This will be what you make it to be. If you want to be a supervisor, a manager or higher, or in design, you've got all of those opportunities here.